In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel automatic investments on Fidelity using the app or website. Start by signing into your Fidelity account, either through the mobile app or on the website. Make sure you're on the home screen after logging in. This is important because the navigation you need is right there. Once you're in, look for the Transact option. This is the section where you handle money movements and orders, so it's the quickest path to what we need. Next, select Automate and then go to Recurring Activity. This page summarizes all of your scheduled investments and transfers in one place. You'll see items like recurring purchases into funds or ETFs and any automatic transfers you've set up. Take a moment here to scan the list and make sure you can spot the exact schedule you want to stop. If you manage multiple accounts, it can help to check which account each schedule is tied to so you don't remove the wrong one. Choose the automatic investment you want to cancel and open it. You'll typically see details such as the frequency, the next scheduled run date, and the funding or destination account. It's a good idea to confirm these details before you proceed, especially if you have several similar schedules set up at different amounts or on different dates. Now, scroll down and tap Delete. You'll be prompted to confirm your choice. Select Delete again to finalize. This confirmation step prevents accidental changes, so don't worry if it asks you twice. After you confirm, the schedule is removed and no new automatic orders will be placed from it. Past transactions remain in your history, and you can always set up a new schedule later if you decide to restart. Give the page a moment to refresh, and you should see the cancelled schedule disappear from the recurring activity list. If the next runtime is very close, it's possible an order may already be queued. Checking your activity or orders page can give you peace of mind. A simple tip is to note or screenshot the schedule before deleting it so you can easily recreate the same settings in the future if needed. And that's it, your automatic investment has been successfully cancelled. If you have more than one schedule to stop, just repeat these same steps for each one. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough helped you feel confident managing your recurring investments on Fidelity.